Now, good people with your EVs have to forgive the state of mine. They're very dirty, but that's the thing with using them all the time, all day. Charging can be a bit of an issue for some people in that you need to have hundreds of different charge cards or have a debit card or swipe card or whatever available. I've discovered the Octopus Electroverse card, which gives you the benefit of being able to swipe at thousands and thousands of charging points globally. They just do it all through central billing, and if you look for the link in my write-up here in the description, you'll find that if you sign up using my link, you can get some free charging as well. So not only do you get to drive an EV, you can do it for free too. So click on the link, get yourself signed up, use it and enjoy it. You can see here just how many places are covered by the card. It makes it very, very straightforward. There's an app, as you can see from what I'm using here. You can set in your own personal preferences, but the combination of the app and the card is almost unbeatable.